안녕하세요. Welcome to the Inspire Academy Online. I'm Leah, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of Korean language learning. Whether you're planning a trip to South Korea or simply want to impress your Korean friends, this video is perfect for beginners looking to master some essential Korean phrases. So let's get started. Let's begin with some basic greetings that you can use to start conversation. To say hello, we say 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. To say hi or bye, we say 안녕, 안녕. To say nice to meet you, we say 만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Now, let's learn how to introduce ourselves in Korean. To introduce yourself, you say 제 이름은 리아입니다, which means my name is Leah. 제 이름은 리아입니다. To say I am French, you can say 저는 프랑스 사람입니다. 저는 프랑스 사람입니다. If you're English, you can say 저는 영국 사람입니다. 저는 영국 사람입니다. If you're a student, you can say 저는 학생입니다. 저는 학생입니다. Now, let's explore some common expressions that you'll find useful in everyday situations. To say thank you, you say 감사합니다. 감사합니다. To say I'm sorry, you say 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. To ask what is this, you can say 이것은 무엇입니까? 이것은 무엇입니까? To ask how much is it, you can say 얼마예요? 얼마예요? Navigating a new place can be daunting, but with these phrases, you'll be able to find your way around confidently. For example, if you hear 오른쪽 하세요, it means go right. 오른쪽 하세요. If you hear 왼쪽 하세요, it means go left. 왼쪽 하세요. If someone tells you 직진하세요, it means go straight. 직진하세요. If you want to ask someone where are you now, you can say 지금 어디 있어요? 지금 어디 있어요? If you want to ask where is the bus stop, you can say 버스 정류장이 어디 있어요? 버스 정류장이 어디 있어요? Korean food is famous for its delicious flavors. Let's learn how to order food in Korea. If you want to say that you would like to order, you can say 주문할게요. 주문할게요. If you want to ask the waiter to give you the menu, you can say 메뉴판 주세요. 메뉴판 주세요. If you want to say please give me some water, you can say 물 좀 주세요. 물 좀 주세요. If you want to express that you really like the food and you want to say it's delicious, you can say 맛있어요. 맛있어요. Finally, if you want to ask for the bill, you can say 계산서 주세요. 계산서 주세요. Well done! You've learned some essential Korean phrases that will help you navigate various situations with ease. Practice these regularly, and you'll be speaking Korean like a pro in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to the Inspire Academy Online for more language learning tips and tutorials. 감사합니다, and 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye!